LangChain recently released version 1. Let's see what has changed. We have an agent, and underlying all these agents are going to be your model. Now, the user directly interacts with the agent, and the agent or the model has access to a set of tools. The way that the agent orchestrates all this is through messages. Now, when the agent needs to use a tool, it uses something called, or rather, it sends an AI message. When the tool finishes execution, it returns things using a tool message. Now, the user interacts with the agent through a human message, and the agent responds back to the user through an AI message. Now, underlying all this, the agent sets up the model using something called a system message. This is just a brief recap. These messages predominantly contain two key pieces of information. The first one is the role, which can be system, user, tool, or assistant, and the second one is going to be your content. This can be a prompt, a tool request, or a tool result. LangChain uses React agents. Every agent that you can create using LangChain by default uses this React paradigm. Now, what is this React agent? What is this React paradigm? It stands for Reasoning Acting Agent. The way that it works is that it combines chain of thought and tool usage. Now, let's take a deeper look into how React agents work. So, a React agent consists of a model and a set of tools internally. Now, the user can prompt the model. The model then reasons out and decides whether it needs to use one tool, a set of tools, or no tool at all. Now, depending on if it needs to use a tool, it repeats the action until the model reasons out that it does not need any more tool calls or tool usage. It is only then that the model then gives out a final response. Now, let's take a quick look at how tools and tool usage has changed with React agents. Earlier, we had to prompt the model, parse the output, individually call the tools, prompt the model again with the responses or the results from the tool, and then repeat if more tool calls are needed. This was in pre V1 days. With the new React paradigm, all we need to do is we prompt the agent and then we get the response. This agent and LangChain along with it takes care of calling the tool, sending the tool result back to the agent, and giving us a response. Now, if multiple tool calls are needed, it is taken care of here. The agent itself handles tool calling, including multiple turns and parallel tool usage. So even in cases where the models requires or requests two tools, that is taken care of. Now, with LangChain, you can extend it further by using an MCP, by using RAG, that is Retrieval Augmented Generation, human in the loop, or with multi-agent systems. And also, LangChain is the gateway to LangGraph.